A quadratic equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And it's important to distinguish this from a quadratic function. Quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is a statement about the function. And the function describes a collection of ordered pairs in the xy plane, which if you graph it, looks like a parabola. And there are three possibilities for this statement to be either true or not true, or three situations, I should say. So first, there's a situation where your parabola intersects the x-axis in 2 points, at 2 points. The second situation is when the parabola intersects the x-axis at the vertex, so just 1 point. And then finally, the parabola does not intersect the x-axis. And what does this have to do with the quadratic equation? Well, the quadratic equation is a statement that says ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And in order for that to happen, so in other words, this y, which is the ax squared plus bx plus c, must equal 0. And that can happen only when the parabola crosses the x-axis, because on the x-axis, all y coordinates are 0. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for what x values make the function, the quadratic function, equal to 0. Well, it's only those points that when you plug them in to when you plug x in, you get 0, and those are the x-intercepts, because y is 0 for every x-intercept. So really, when you're solving an equation like this, you're looking for the x-intercepts, and there are only 3 possibilities. There are either 2 of them, there might be 1. In this particular case, we know from the vertex formula that x would be minus b over 2a. That is the formula for the vertex, and so if y is 0, x is equal to that in this particular situation. And here, there would be no solutions, because there is no x value that when you plug it in gives you y equals 0. So no solution. And I'll talk about this situation in a future video.